Good day, everyone. I'm back again. So I made a part one on how you can calculate your lot sizes depending on the stop loss pips of your trade. I couldn't complete the video I couldn't complete the whole teaching when I made that video because I had something. So someone said I always have something urgent to do. Yeah, I always have something urgent to do, so I couldn't complete that video. So I want to make a part two now, and the part two is basically left on how you can calculate your stop losses on crypto pairs, especially when you trade your crypto pairs with like your forex brokers. Like if you're trading with your forex brokers, how you can calculate the stop loss, how you calculate your lot size depending on the stop loss in pips. It's pretty straightforward when it comes to calculating crypto pairs. Not really that complicated. Same formula uh, that we use in calculating the lot sizes for the currency pairs, but just removing a few things. The crypto pairs do not have like a unit of measurement, so it's pretty straightforward when it comes to calculating the lot sizes to use on a crypto pair in accordance with the stop loss pips. What you do is, for example, this particular pair, this is BTC USD, and you can see the stop loss here is 289.26. It's literally here. So 289.2, that's the stop loss. The take profit is 289.26 is how many pips the stop loss is. 289.26 pips stop loss. The target is 3390.93 pips TP. So now if you want to calculate your lot sizes for this particular pair, so let's assume you're risking $1,000. The formula for calculating the lot size of a crypto pair is basically the amount you're risking divided by the stop loss in pips. It's quite simple. So if you're risking $1,000, the stop loss in pips is 289.26. So what you do is your $1,000 that you're risking divided by 289.26 pip stop loss, you will get 3.45 lot size. So the formula for that is what? Your risk amount divided by the stop loss in pips. So assuming your risk amount is what? $1,000. Assuming your risk amount is what? $1,000. You do $1,000 divided by the stop loss in pips. And in this scenario, in this situation, our stop loss in pips is what? 289.26 pips stop loss. So whatever this number gives you, whatever the division gives you, is what your lot size is. So if you do $1,000 divided by 289.26 pip stop loss, you will get 3.45 lot size. Basically 3.457, and when you approximate it, it's basically 3.46 lot size. So it means that if you should risk 3.46 lot size, and your stop loss gets hit, that's so if you do 3.46 multiplied by what your stop loss in pips 289.26, you're getting approximately $1,000, meaning that $1,000 is the risk for this trade. And how to know also that you're correct? The stop loss is what? 3.45 lot size. The lot size is 3.45. If you multiply that with your take profit levels, TP, the TP in pips is what? 3390.93. It gives you $11,600. $11,698, approximately $11,700. And if you check the risk to reward ratio of this trade, is 11.4 RR, meaning that you're correct. So this is BTC USD. The same is applicable to Ethereum USD. Same thing. So if you go to Ethereum, same process. This is the stop loss in pips here is what? 14.39 stop loss pips. So the same process, whichever amount of money you're willing to risk, you divide it by the stop loss in pips of the crypto pair. So this is Ethereum USD. The stop loss in pips is literally right here, 14.39. Stop 14.39. So if you're risking $1,000, you do 1,000 divided by what? 14.39. You get 69.49. This is your lot size. So it doesn't matter. You don't have to, once you use 69 like I said, if you're risking $1,000 and the stop loss is what? 14.39, you're getting 69.49 lot size. So if you do 69.49 lot size and you multiply it by what? By this stop loss as 14.39, you're getting $1,000, meaning that $1,000 is the risk. So with crypto pairs, it's basically straightforward. The amount of money you want to risk in USD divided by the stop loss in pips, you get your lot size. So to know you're correct, this is a 1 is to 10.58 RR trade, meaning that if you're risking $1,000, you're expecting to make $10,500. So to know if you're correct, the the lot size for this trade is the lot size for this trade is 69.49. 69.49, if you multiply it by the TP level, that is 152 pips, we are literally getting 10,500, which is the same RR trade, 1 is to 10 RR trade. So this is the part 2 of how you can calculate your lot size when it comes to crypto pairs. Now that I'm done with that, I want to show you guys some trades that I took this week. This is basically the account history. Took BTC USD, BTC USD gold, and I was able to make $40,000 that day. So I didn't really trade much last week. It was basically just the one trading day, then the next day. So this was the gold that I took. Made about $40,000 on that. I think this is one of the few times I show my profits on here, but just to tell you guys that we actually trade over here. So that's basically it. And yeah, the video I made last week about the USD JPY buyers, because I said it was bearish. Yeah, so said in here, I had already deleted the markup board. It's still in progress. You guys remember last week showed you guys a USD JPY progression. Yeah, right here. Yeah, this sell is currently still in progress. Still have the sell ongoing. Remember, I'm bearish all through until further notice. So yeah.